Are you comfortable now? Okay. This is how we're doing the video. What? Are you cold or something? You just like doing. He's a professional YouTuber and he wants to show me the ropes. Is that it? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, I am Abby and I make random videos and post them. Yep. So today we are doing a Zenni Optical unboxing. I put that in quotation marks because real talk, these are from this package because I just really needed an updated prescription because I was having a really tough time seeing. I have cat fur all over myself. Dang it. I totally lint rolled before I came over here, but black shirt, what are you gonna do? Yeah, so these are from this package, but these are while they are an updated prescription, they are the same frames that I had last time I ordered. So I know what I was coming with from them and stuff. These are the magnetic clip-on sunglasses ones, which I absolutely adore. I'm completely obsessed with. I highly recommend them for anyone who wears glasses. And I will show you a bit more about those in a little bit. So let's get into it. So this time, most times that I order, it comes in this cute little teal envelope with Zenni on it. I'm not showing you the other side because it has my address. Obviously I opened this already. So each of the glasses comes in a hard case. They do update this design periodically. They do update this design periodically. So you get a case, they come in a plastic bag like this, just so they don't get scuffed or anything. They each come with a microfiber cloth to clean them. And so, these ones right now are advertising their Tootsie line. This is not how they actually come. I obviously have unboxed these already. So, they come with like a little caring for your new Zennies paper inside. Just tells you about the right fit, seeing clearly, keeping them clean, and in case you need help from them, they have all their info there. This is a great unboxing, showing you something I've already just completely taken out of the packaging. Alright, so let's clean up a little bit. Alright, so this is this pair, well, the old set. So they come with clip-on sunglasses. They just magnetize on there. These, like I mentioned before, these are my old ones. So the thing I hated most about these is that I usually get like all the fun upgrades and stuff. I get the anti-fingerprint, I get the anti-oil, I get the anti-blue light, I get all sorts of extras. I should do that right now. Alright. Anyway, so I get all the upgrades. I get all the upgrades when I order glasses. And so last time I ordered glasses, well, before this time, I managed to accidentally get the, what is it called? When they change in the light. I don't know if I can do it with any of these lights. Yeah, they darken basically in the sun, right? And as cool as I thought that was when I was 10, it's really obnoxious when you're just trying to like cook in your kitchen and you have too much natural light and so your glasses start to darken. It's not what I need in life. So these are those. I had little fun things. I had Brazil, the thing, earpiece, arm ear, I don't know what to call it. I will be putting the model numbers or item numbers or whatever in the description below, so that way you can pull it up if you like these. So same size, same shape, exact same glasses, just different prescription, and without the stupid changing color thing. So these ones, the old ones, it was Brazil with a little golden thing, and this time I did the same font, just with blue. Alright, so the sunglasses part, I haven't actually used this particular set yet. They're still in their case just because I already have a bunch of sets. So these are magnetic here, and then on the actual glasses themselves, I don't know if you can see that, like, there's this little square here. They have a little magnet, so all that happens is you just line them up, clip, and you have sunglasses. So it's great for just going in and out. I usually stick them like in my little pocket up there if I have a coat on. I have a particular pocket in my purse that's just like this little flat pocket. I can just like tuck them into, take them out when I need it. They're great for going in and out of buildings. You don't have to like completely change out your glasses. You don't have like the tacky little metal things that go over it and like clip onto it. Hate those. Oh, and when you're driving, like if you have to go through a tunnel or something, if you go into a parking garage, you don't want to be fussing with like trying to see with your prescription sunglasses or whatever. These are just a great alternative. They come with a bunch of other styles and stuff, so definitely check out their other lines if you aren't into the whole Ray-Ban sort of style. Alright, so that's pretty much those. I'm going to put these back in here. Alright, so then the other set I got this time are definitely different. I wanted to get something a little more fashion, just to try it out, because they have so many glasses to choose from. They have a lot of really cool designs, styles and stuff. They have some really quirky ones that I would probably never wear, but they're definitely cool if I lived like in a city or something and just was, you know. I live in Nebraska right now. It's very like practical fashion. So there are certain pockets where it's like you can be more fashionable, but definitely like a lot of like your every day-to-day stuff, you would be very out of place if you just try to be too trendy, I guess. Alright, so these ones are really fun. They are round glasses. I wanted to keep like bigger frames. I was going for like a slightly more Harry Potter vibes, without going like full horn rim whatever glasses. So these are adorable. They have gold accents, they have golden armbands. I don't know what I was doing just there. And they also have this little bit, so it has a little bit of cat eye vibes. So let's put these on and glare at our cat for getting into more trouble and making noise. Alright, so these are an adjustment for sure, just because I'm not used to having, well, for one, all these lights glaring in my eyes. But I'm also, they have the little nose bridge pieces versus these, which are just solid plastic. And so I've been wearing this style for a very long time. So these just make it a little bit different. It takes a few minutes to kind of like adjust, I guess you could say, just because of course my camera decided to stop recording, so we'll just kind of self-edit that last bit anyways. So they take some adjustment just because they're a different frame. They are very different from the type I've been wearing for years and years. So I've stayed with not this exact frame style, but this very similar to this style for a very long time now, years. I don't remember when I first got them. So, yep, there's that. And I am about to go look up how much I paid for each of these and which add-ons I had, so that way you can use it as reference if you like these, and I will be right back. Alright nerds, let's get this video finished up. Alright, so these glasses cost me $40.72. That is with a 20% off sale that they were running over the holidays. Just like for like 2 months straight they had random sales popping up for Black Friday and stuff, so these ended up costing me $40.72. That is with, so for both sets, I have the 1.61 blocks high index, which is just to block out the blue light, like I mentioned before, for the screens that you're staring at all day, your phone, your computers, whatever you're staring at. So that's nice to have. And then I also have to get the oleophobic, which is just anti-oil and anti-fingerprint. And so it's a lot easier to wipe those off. It's also nice for makeup, because a lot of makeup can be oil-based, or at least feel like it's, I don't know what's in makeup, don't ask me tough questions like that, but I feel like it's easier to get off when you have the oleophobic stuff on it, so. Oh, and then on these where I have my name on the side, last name on the side, it is $3.16 more, at least with the sale or something, I don't know. It's hard to read receipts sometimes, guys. Just because they're not consistent. They don't necessarily make sense the way you want them to make sense, so I paid most likely $3.16, depending on if that was before or after the coupon. But it's roughly that. $3.16 seems like a weird number for it not to be the sale price, so it's probably more than that. It's probably like $4 or something, because that would make sense. Alright, so it's $4.95 for shipping. I don't remember if this is a constant promo, but since I got 2 pairs and I paid, my order was over $75, it was free shipping. So, I mean, $5 for shipping, it's not bad anyways. That is that. I will have my promo code link, whatever, down below in the description box as well. While I don't get anything from Zenni, they don't send me free classes to review or anything else like that. They do have a refer a friend program where you get a custom link, and so when anyone clicks on that link and orders glasses, so if you click on the link, you order glasses, you get $5 off that order. I also get $5 off my next order, so that's kind of nice. So if you like this video, give it a click, and we'll both get $5. So how blind I am. I guess it's not that bad. Like, I can still read my writing over here. Do you ever do that? Just me? Okay. Alright, well, that's it for this video. Hope you like it. I do need more subscribers. I really want to get this channel up and going. So if you like this video, like it. That seems intuitive, right? If you like this video, give it a like. Subscribe. I am on Instagram as, hold on, I got this. cats.cocktails.crafts. And I'm also on there as my shop as @DrowsyAurora. So I will leave those somewhere for you to find rather than trying to understand me. Alright, so one last thing that I did forget to mention is they do ship internationally now. I don't think they originally did, but they definitely do now. So even if you don't live in the United States, there's a good chance you can still order them. I know they ship to Canada, pretty sure Mexico, New Zealand, Australia, all that. And they do also ship to APO, so while I was living in England, they were still my go-to for glasses. It does take longer, obviously, but I still think it's worth it. I love them, so hope you do too. Bye for sure this time.